Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn about the Cite, Share, and Save buttons in the McLennan Community College Library Search Tool. The Cite, Share, and Save buttons appear in the top right corner of the result preview. They also appear on an item's full record page. You can learn more about the full record page in another video. The Cite button provides citations in several styles. Click the drop-down menu and select the citation style used in your course. For now, let's select the American Psychological Association, also known as APA 7th edition. You can click Copy Citation to copy the citation to your clipboard. It's important to remember that these are machine-generated citations and they might contain mistakes. You should always review your citations before submitting your assignment. The Excelsior Online Writing Lab website is a great place to find guidance on common citation styles. You can also refer to the Citation Styles official manual. Next, the Share button allows you to email a result to yourself or others. Simply fill out these fields and hit the Send Email button. The Share button also provides a link to this item. If you need to include a link in your citation or want to email it to someone, you should use this link. The URL in the address bar at the top of the browser is not a permanent link to this item. Finally, the Save button saves a result to your saved items list. It is important to note, saving an item only saves it temporarily. If you close the browser, you will lose your saved items. It's just like adding items to your cart when shopping online. The saved items list is just a temporary place. To access the items saved during this session, click Saved Items in the top right of the page. From the Saved Items page, you can choose to keep an item permanently. These records can be saved to your account. To access this feature, make sure you have signed in. Select the items you wish to save, then click Create List. Name your list and then click Save List. To access your saved lists later, click My Account in the top right of the page, then select Saved Lists. And that is how you use the Cite, Share, and Save buttons. Please contact the McLennan Community College Library if you have any questions. We are happy to help.